cubic meters of helium gas. If a leak in a balloon causes the gas to escape at a rate of 72 pi cubic meters per minute, then the rate at which the radius of balloon decreases 45 minutes after the leakage. So really a good problem because main data here is 49 minutes. Now, so in 1 minute, 72 pi gas is going out. In 49 minutes, it will be 3528 pi gas have leaked. So, gas left yield will be equal to 972 pi. Gas left will be 972 pi. How we got it? They gave you 4500 pi minus 3528 pi will give you 972 pi, the gas left. This is gas left. Now, the gas left is 972 pi. So, this is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So, from this what we get, this can be written as pi and pi will cancel. We get r cube is equal to 972 into 3 by 4. From this calculation, r is equal to 9. Now, dv by dt is equal to, as we know, v equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So, dv by dt will give you 4 pi r square dr by dt. Now, 4 pi, what's the value of r given? R is given as 9 square into dr by dt. And dv by dt is given as already 72 pi. So, pi and pi will cancel. We get dr by dt as, so dr by dt as 72 by 4 into 9 into 9. So, this is the required answer. 9 8s are 72 and it will be cancelled. We get 2 by 9 and 2 by 9. What's the units given? Units are given as cubic meters. So, 9 by 10 meter per second. Meter per second, because cubic meters is given to you. So, 832 pi cubic per minute is given. Okay. So, rather than seconds, we write per minute. So, dr by dt is equal to 2 by 9 meters per minute is the gas leak. So, the spherical balloon filled with 4 pi 00 pi meters of helium, and what you have to find, the means if the leak of balloon causes the gas escape 72 pi cubic meters, the rate at which the radius of the balloon, so rate at which the radius of balloon will decrease is 2 by 9 meters